Okay, as something to make your cornbread extra special, I usually like to add a couple of things to it, including fresh grated cheese. Alright, I happen to have some Monterey Jack cheese here. Sharp cheddar is really great, even mild cheddar is fine too. It adds an extra flavor and a different texture to your cornbread. So I like to just get a chunk of it here and just grate it. You don't have to have a ton of it. I would say probably a half to 1 cup altogether. It would be great to go into your batter. See how easily that goes through. This is just a plain old hand grater. You can definitely use your food processor if you'd like with the grater blade, but for this amount, hand grater is just fine, easy to clean up, don't have to worry about it. Looks like it's getting just about enough right there. Ought to be perfect for this size pan.